हर साल कजाकिस्तान में 15,000 इंडियन स्टूडेंट से भी ज्यादा एडमिशन्स लेते हैं एमबीबीएस के लिए। चलिए जानते हैं ऐसी कौन कौन सी मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं जहां पर इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स मैक्सिमम एडमिशन लेते हैं। दो यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं जो काफी पॉपुलर हैं कजाकिस्तान के अंदर। वन इज कजाक नेशनल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज क्वाइट अ पॉपुलर यूनिवर्सिटी इन कजाकिस्तान, लोकेटेड इन अलमाती रीजन विच इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ कजाकिस्तान, एंड सेकंड is Al Farabi Kazakh National University. Out of these two universities, I would definitely recommend you Al Farabi Kazakh National University. There are various reasons for it. Number one, the university has very high QS World Ranking and it comes under 200 amongst the best national universities in the world. So it is a very prestigious university with the lowest tuition fee and is just coming around $4,700 per year. तो अगर आप पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी का बजट कैलकुलेट करेंगे for the 5 years plus the internship, so total 6 years of your MBBS, it is coming around 25 lakh, which include your 6-year hostel fee, the visa extension, medical insurance, and the tuition fee for 6 years. So this would be the budget of your MBBS in Al Farabi Kazakh National University, which I would say the lowest budget in Kazakhstan out of all the topmost medical universities in Kazakhstan. एक और बहुत important reason है कि क्यों students को ये university join करनी चाहिए, and the reason is the university is giving you maximum years of clinical rotation. So they have a provision of giving internship mandatorily from second year onwards, and students can also take the clinical rotation from the beginning, from the first year of your MBBS. So this is the only university that is allowing you to do hands-on clinical practices in the hospital on cadavers from second year onwards, and you will be having whole 5 years of the hospital training and internship. So this is the best option which one could get in Kazakhstan to complete their MBBS program. Contact Eklavya Overseas now to get complete details about the medical university Al Farabi Kazakh National, and we will guide you for the entire admission process. The applications are now open, so you can register yourself and become a part of the very prestigious Al Farabi Kazakh National University.